NCII abuse is a broad term that includes several forms of digital sexual crimes. Although these offenses may appear similar, important differences separate them into distinct crimes with different legal consequences. Despite this, the terms are often used interchangeably. For example, when researching sextortion, you will frequently find content that references, or even replaces it with, the term revenge porn. While both involve intimate image abuse, the offender's intent and method are often fundamentally different. At first glance, this may not seem significant. After all, we live in a country that cannot even agree on a single word for soda. However, the distinction becomes critically important when precise legal language and legislation are involved. That is why it is essential to differentiate these terms in both everyday discussion and legal settings. In today's video, we do exactly that. Be sure to like and subscribe so you can access a full library of educational cybersecurity videos like this one and stay current on the latest cybercrime developments. Sextortion versus revenge porn, legal difference. To begin, let's examine the legal definitions of each offense and how courts treat them differently. Sextortion, sexual extortion, commonly known as sextortion, occurs when an offender threatens to release sexually explicit material of a victim in order to coerce them into taking a specific action. The offender does not need to actually distribute the material for the crime to occur. The threat itself is unlawful. Revenge porn. Revenge porn, by contrast, refers to the non-consensual distribution of intimate images or videos. Many victim advocacy groups recommend replacing this term with image-based sexual abuse, as the word revenge suggests the victim provoked retaliation. Whether the material was originally created or shared consensually is irrelevant. Once it is distributed without consent, a crime has occurred. The key legal difference lies in distribution. Revenge porn involves the act of sharing the content, while sextortion involves threatening to do so as a form of coercion. Sextortion versus revenge porn, legal consequences. Just as these crimes differ in definition, the penalties associated with them also vary. Courts consider several factors, including the victim's age, the offender's intent, and any prior criminal history. Sextortion. There is currently no single federal statute that specifically defines sextortion. Instead, it is typically prosecuted under extortion or blackmail laws. This approach is also common at the state level, although some states have enacted laws that directly address sextortion. Penalties often include up to 2 years of imprisonment and fines, with harsher sentences possible when the victim is a minor or the offender is a repeat offender. Revenge porn. At the federal level, the Take It Down Act classifies revenge porn as a felony. Some states have enacted specific revenge porn statutes, while others prosecute it under laws related to privacy violations, harassment, or similar offenses. Under the Take It Down Act, federal penalties range from 2 to 3 years in prison, along with fines and forfeiture of property used to commit the offense. In many states, revenge porn is treated as a misdemeanor, though repeat offenses are often elevated to felonies. As with sextortion, cases involving minors typically result in more severe penalties. In some jurisdictions, both historically and today, sextortion and revenge porn have been treated as the same offense, which can create serious obstacles for victims seeking justice. The Cyber Civil Rights Initiative has previously highlighted sextortion cases that were dismissed under revenge porn laws due to the absence of a romantic relationship or because the motive involved financial gain rather than reputational harm. Because these crimes are nuanced and differ significantly, treating them as interchangeable is dangerous. While both fall under the broader category of intimate image abuse, they require distinct legal frameworks to ensure victims receive appropriate protection. What victims can do. Whether you are facing sextortion or revenge porn, acting quickly can significantly improve your chances of recovery. Consider the following steps when deciding how to proceed. Identify the nature of the threat. If someone is threatening exposure unless you pay or comply, this is sextortion. If the material has already been shared to damage your reputation, this constitutes revenge porn. Gather evidence. Take screenshots of messages, usernames, threats, and any locations where the content has been posted. Report the crime to the appropriate authorities. Start by filing a report with your local police department. They may investigate directly or refer you to a specialized agency. You should also report the offender to the platform where the abuse occurred. Seek support. Image-based sexual abuse is not something anyone should handle alone. Reach out to trusted individuals for emotional support and consider professional services that can assist with investigations, explain legal options, and provide guidance during recovery. Conclusion. Although sextortion and revenge porn are separate crimes, both can severely disrupt a victim's life and cause long-term harm. Understanding how these offenses differ is essential so you can protect yourself and choose the correct course of action if you ever encounter either one. Blackmail Helpline offers a wide range of educational resources designed to strengthen cybersecurity awareness. If you experience sextortion, revenge porn, or any form of online blackmail, support is available. You can contact Blackmail Helpline at 888-634-1535 or visit blackmailhelpline.com for a free consultation with one of our specialists. Helpful links and resources. To learn more, visit our website at blackmailhelpline.com. The link is in the description below. Feel free to leave a comment with your questions or call us directly at 888-634-1535. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and let us know in the comments if you'd like us to cover more cases like this. See you in the next video.